say throughout all of the training is that if you're in, on, around, under, near equipment, there's certain things that have to happen. And from a safety aspect, you need to make sure you understand the potential danger with that piece of equipment.
For electrical tag out and electrical safety, this is your main disconnect right here. All you have to do is turn that 90 degrees, and the unit has a power supply and a battery backup inside of it to help shut it down. This is the emergency stop for the unit. When pressed, this will cause the unit to stop moving. It will also stop the conveyor belt. This is in case of any sort of jam, personnel injury, or any damage to the unit. A magnetic safety switch. This will let the unit know if any of the access panels or doors are open on the unit, and this will prevent the robot from moving and sorting. This light right up here, this is the robot status light. This just tells you whether the robot is energized and able to move. Get yourself a Phillips head screwdriver to gain access to this. Just loosen them up and these clips flip around. Make sure you have a good snug seal all the way around to prevent dust from intruding. Place it in the housing until it seats. And replace the coat.